just exit out there, and I'll just show you what else there are. So on your main screen, at the moment, it's just showing leisure charging, which is 14.2 volts. So that's coming through your battery charger. Top left there, it's showing a little battery with an L in it. That's to say it's leisure battery. Okay, if you had your car connected still on your pitch, you could actually draw power from your battery from your vehicle, which would be a little battery with a V in it if you were doing that. But like God, it's not a good idea because you probably drain the battery and you'd be in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay. So menu, scroll up and down the menu. Of course, I can't get my words out this morning. I must be jaw frozen. Right, no vehicle battery. So if your vehicle was attached, you could see what voltage is. Solar panel. It's obviously got a solar panel on the roof. That's giving you what voltage is coming in through that at the moment. Select battery, as I said, if you've got the car connected.
Why wasn't there anything coming through it?
Because it's in a building.
What?
The
solar panel, it's actually just over 14 volts.
Oh, right. Okay. So what's the 0, 0?
Zero, so that's ampage going out. There's not ampage going out at the moment on that. Select battery, again, as I said, if you've got the vehicle connected, you could take 12 volts from that if you wanted to. AC limit. So on your site, like normally if you go and overdraw the electric, it will trip the bollard on site. What you can do is set a limit. Obviously this is showing how many amps is actually going out at the moment. Normally you get a 16 amp bollard, normally.
Yeah.
Okay, what you can change, if you want to, obviously that little icon there is showing it's open. We've got a 5 amp limit, 6 amp limit, 7 amp, so you go all the way up to 16 if you wanted to.
Right.
Okay, so with that, what it does is try to protect that bollard from tripping. So if you imagine if you've got 3 kilowatts on your electric, on your heater, you've obviously got power here. Obviously it takes through a lot of power on electric. Your microwave, fridge, possibly hairdryer, kettle, there's all sorts of things. If everything's switched on all at the same time, it's just going to draw loads of power. What it will do is start shutting down the kilowatts on your heater. Okay, to try and avoid that happening.
Right.
Okay.
So if the heater starts going cooler and you're sort of thinking, we're getting cold, it could be the fact that we're drawing everything else.
It's one of the things, it will, obviously as soon as you put that on, that's when it will start doing that. As soon as you switch it off, it will come back up again.
Okay.
If you are operating the heating on electric and gas, obviously you've still got the gas which will kick in if the electric's disappeared. Okay. But obviously you need to operate. I'll show you on that panel in a second anyway. Okay. Or you can just switch it off. Internal temperature, you will find that temperature will be different from there to there. That one, the thermostat is more than likely underneath that seat there or that seat there. This one, the thermostat's here, so that's why it's showing different temperatures. Dimmer level, so as I said, that is your master switch for your switching dimmer lights on and off. This, when you bring that up on the screen, the arrow pointing towards the screen is what you will do to change the dimmer level or your app. Okay, I don't know if you can see the locker just above you there is brightening up. So that's at 100%. It'll be the same in the bedroom as well, above that locker. If I press it again, it'll go down to 5%. Okay, you just press it around to whatever setting you like.
And does that I presume the higher it is, the more electric it's using?
Oh yes. Yeah. So it's using more 12 volts. Heater settings. Right, there are options on that. There's 3 options. If I press the arrow again, pointing towards the screen, we've got control manual. So if you want to use the actual Aldi system control panel, that needs to be set to manual. Okay. Right. If you want to set a timer using the command panel, obviously you do that. Again, you can do that on your app, or obviously to use your app, it needs to be control app. Okay, and then that will operate that. Okay, but what I'll do, I'll leave it on manual for now.
Yeah.
Because we're going to do that with that in a second. Okay, sometimes when you come out of these things, it might jump to somewhere else. So I'll probably go through all these anyway. Internal dimmer, heating settings, system settings. Okay, we did have a quick look at that. That's where you need to find if you want to pair your phone or your iPad or whatever. So again, arrow pointing towards the screen gets it into the part of the menu. Set your time. So you just press. I'm not sure what time it is at the moment. Oh, that's actually correct. So at 9, obviously you set your hour. So just by pressing that, it just scrolls around. So it won't. You can't go backwards. If you go, especially when you're doing the minutes, you want to do say 55. You just go past it. Oh, so you're going to have to go all the way around to go redo it. So obviously concentrate when you're doing that, which I don't tend to. Thursday. No, I don't. Oh, it is Thursday.
Yeah. Don't know.
Oh dear, what day is it? What day of week is it? So this week's gone quick. It's like, when was Christmas? Right.
Yeah.
Date is the 9th, month is, and 2017. Key beep on. So at the moment, obviously the key beep's on. Every time you press the button, it goes beep to let you know you've pressed it. Backlight time. So if you notice your screen going dark every now and again.
Every 30 seconds.
Yeah, so it's going there. You can change the time, or you can have it constantly on if you wanted to. Same with the LED lights on there. It does exactly the same. Tank alarm is off because you haven't got a tank. So obviously this control panel does all the Swift different models. So if they got a tank, you could have alarm on it. Bluetooth pair, obviously that was the one where we connected to your phone. So all you do is press the arrow, so it's pointing to the screen. You'll see that blue light flashing. It should say Bluetooth pair active. And Bluetooth delete. So sometimes if you're having a problem, there may be other ones that have already been paired up. It might be easier to delete all that and start again. Then exit settings. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Happy with that?
Yeah.
But your main things are 12-volt systems there. Okay, so your master switch, you've got to switch your 12-volt system to use your van. Water pump, then your main lights, dimmer lights, warning light. Okay,
Right.
happy with that bit?
I think
I'm
so.
happy with
Yeah. Right, we'll come across to the heating side of it now.
Okay.
Okay, this, as you obviously had trim heating before, which I think we probably had the dial.
Yeah,
Whatever.
on the floor,
Yeah.
and the water heating is separate.
That's
Wasn't
it, yeah. So it's all one unit. It's as we said, it's central heating. So you can see the vents down the side there. Obviously, like the radiator,
Yeah.
and the water is also all in there as well. Showing on the main screen. Well, obviously, I should say first is that's the on/off button for the systems. Green light on, it's on. Red
You
light.
want me to hold now?
Yes,
For a
please.
Yeah, it gets a bit. It does.
Struggling.
Yeah, it does.
I'm not quite tall enough.
Plus, it gets a bit heavy after a while. Even
Yeah.
though that is only a small camera, it does get heavy after a while. What I'll do, I'll just need to increase the temperature. I'll need to show you something. There we go. So on the screen there, it's showing that circular icon.
Yeah.
That's to say the heating is being circulated around the van. So it's the pump that's circulating the heating around. If that little thing's there, not there, heating's not being circulated around the van, so you're not going to have any heating. Okay. Top right, that's the plug to say you've got electric connected. Doesn't say you're operating on it. You've just got electric available for your boiler. And the next one down is your temperature. So that's your room temperature. Okay. If we just have a look at the consumer units, because I want to show you how to